Hi, this is Gökhan Ozar, and in this video I will demonstrate a quick and easy way of dropping all tables in a schema of a MySQL database using Navicat. Here you see a fairly large database currently consisting of several dozen tables, most of which are tightly related with foreign key bindings. Let me quickly show one of the very simple ones here. This one has 4 columns, as you can see, and just one foreign key referencing to another table. And this is only one of the around 450 foreign key relationships between the tables in the schema. So first, I'll select all the tables here. And when I attempt to delete these the conventional way, some of the tables will resist to deletion due to binding foreign key definitions. However, there is actually a foolproof way of doing this, especially in Navicat's graphical user interface. Now, I'm just opening a query tab and typing some SQL to query the information schema. And when I execute it, it generates a series of drop statements for all the remaining tables in this database as a result of the query. Now, selecting all the results with the keyboard shortcut, Command A on the Mac and Control A on Windows. Now I'll copy the generated results, as it's possible to copy and paste almost anything in Navicat version 12. And then I'll create a new query, and this time I'll paste the copied results of the previous query in the SQL editor pane, just like that. You see? Next, let me first go to the top of the statements and set the foreign key checks to false beforehand. And finally, at the end of the statements, I'll set it back to 1. And this new query is now ready to be executed. Here, I'll run it, pressing the play button, and there we go. So now, when I go to the top of the list of tables in the navigation pane and refresh, we see that all the tables of the schema are now gone. And that's it. Thanks for watching.